Hello again, guys. You want to tell how tall I became? No?
Well, first of all, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And yeah, you see what happened?
See,
Look how tall my husband
Look how
became.
tall I
all of a
became. I
sudden.
was always bending like this to be the same height as my wife, but now I figured I'm going to be myself right now. Look, see how tall I am? Guys, we're back to cook something very special today. I keep forgetting the name, but my wife going to say it. What's the name?
Cornish Hen.
I call this thing baby chicken. We're gonna do baby chicken stuffing, and then we're gonna do some stuffing with the cabbage and some stuffing with the green leaves. Okay, so it's gonna be something new, something delicious. So we're very excited to start. Are you excited?
Extremely. And
Okay,
I'm very
so-
hungry.
Yeah, guys, let me go back to my wife's height. Hold on. See, that's me right now. Okay, so let's start, guys. Inside our stuffed Cornish hen, gonna be rice, cilantro, tomatoes, and beef. And then we're gonna do some green leaves also, and we're gonna do cabbage. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with the cabbage is I'm gonna take this part off, and we're gonna start boiling it. So we're gonna put the cabbage in here, fill up some Poland spring water, and we're gonna boil it to be a little bit soft. So now we're gonna start by cutting tomatoes. We're gonna do inside this thing at least 6 tomatoes. Okay, my 6 tomatoes are chopped. Now we're gonna put them in here. Now over here, I have 1 bunch of cilantro. So we're gonna chop this also. Okay, our cilantro is chopped already. Let's add it to the recipe. Now we're gonna cube the meat for small pieces. Let's add it to the recipe. So over here I have 5 cups of rice. I washed it 3 times. Now we're gonna add it over here. Okay, now that we add everything, we're gonna add salt, black pepper, and ground paprika. Let's mix everything up. Guys, our cabbage is ready. Now let's go put our stuffing inside and make one delicious food. Now that the mixture is ready, let's cut 6 more tomatoes to put inside the pot. My tomato is chopped, but before I gotta put a little bit of oil inside. Now we're gonna add the tomatoes. Alright, now let's add a little bit salt on the bottom and a little black pepper. That's it, we're good to go. Let's stuff our chicken. Okay, now that we stuffed our chicken, we're gonna start stuffing our cabbage. You have to cut this part over here in order to be able to roll nice. Alright, now that we rolled the cabbage, now we have to roll the grape leaves. So we're gonna put a couple mini peppers. Now we're gonna put 1 can of tomato sauce. Then we're gonna take the leftover cabbage and just close it on top. Okay guys, let's start the fire. That's it, there it goes. Put it over here and we're gonna cover it, and this food is gonna take at least 2.5 hours, so we'll keep you updated as we go. Alright guys, the first half an hour for the food I just want to show you. Oh baby, look how much juice it created. There was no water added over there. So what you have to do is just shake it like this, make sure it doesn't get stuck to the wall. Otherwise, can you taste it? Otherwise it's amazing, tastes good, looks very good. And so this is gonna take at least 2.5 hours to 3 hours because you have those chicken, you know, so they take a little bit longer to cook. So we're gonna let it cook nice on a slow fire Maybe if you want to show them the fire. So I'm not going to be showing you every half an hour or so. I'm going to show you most probably another like an hour and a half from now, and then we're going to show you when we take the food out, okay? An hour and a half passed by. We're just gonna check on the food quickly, and because we're gonna cook this thing for at least close to 3 hours because of the chicken, 2.5 hours to 3 hours, so we're gonna add 1 cup of boiling water. Even there is still a lot of juice, but we still want to do it just in case, you know, just 1 cup of boiling water, okay? Otherwise everything is looking very good. All you have to do is just like shake it like that. Make sure it doesn't get stuck. See? And you're good to go. So we'll keep it over here for easily another hour or so, okay? Then we'll check it. We'll see if it's ready. We'll take it out. We'll see you soon. The food is ready. 2.5 hours passed by. Are you ready to see what's going on?
Yes, I can't wait.
Pauline, are you?
I'm so excited.
Yeah, and Pauline says, do it fast, do it fast. It's freezing outside. It is freezing. So let's take the food out. Oh, baby, look at that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take all the cabbage from the top out first. Okay, so we're gonna plate the food, and we're gonna be back in exactly 2 minutes from now, okay? Guys, the food is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. It's still smoking hot on a snowy day. You know, it's gonna get cold very fast. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick tasting. Okay, so my wife's gonna go first as usual.
I'm gonna take a little chicken.
Oh wow, you're going on the chicken? I'm surprised.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna actually take a little bit of the stuffing from the chicken.
I'm surprised. I was told you're gonna go for the green
No.
leaves. Wow.
Oh my god,
I
the
can smell it.
stuffing is amazing.
It's good?
Let me see the chicken. Hold on.
How's the chicken?
Oh my god, milk in your mouth.
The baby chicken. I call
I mean,
this
it's
thing.
not a chicken, it's a Cornish hen.
I call this baby chicken. Guys,
Wow.
you know, right when I start cooking this thing, the first thing I want to taste is the green leaves. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna go first. I'm surprised my wife went for the chicken and for the stuffing inside. Let me see how this one tastes. Let me see. Hold on. It's hot. Oh wow, very. Try this.
Wow. No, I'm good
I
with the
swear.
stuffing from the chicken.
No, this is amazing. You want?
Wow.
No. It's amazing, Pauline. It tastes so good. How is it? It's
I
good,
need to
no?
try it.
Right? Okay, guys, the food tastes amazing. As usual. It is very cold. We really want to eat the food hot in the house. So we're going to go right back home. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you again for all your nice comments. And my wife's going to finish it off by
Saying that thank you guys so much for everything, for all the pieces, for all your sweet comments, and please comment if you would like to see anything else. We always like to hear your suggestions and your comments.
Yeah.
And if you would like to like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. We would really appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel, subscribe to all our social medias. We would appreciate that as well. And
Follow our jewelry page.
And
what she
you
said,
can check me out at LB Diamond 23 West 47th Street anytime. Pleasure being with you. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time. And make sure you try this thing at home. This is amazing, 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 amazing tasting food. Trust me, with us, I call this baby chicken. Guys, hope to see you next time. Take care. Salute.
salute.